Hey everyone, in this video we will talk about the course assumptions and expectations. It's a series of things that I want to talk about before we proceed with the course. So let's start. So the first assumption that I'm making here is that people who are going to be doing this course have some basic understanding. Though I will try to hold your hand as you go through this course and explain core concepts with basics in mind and thinking about people. Also, some of them who might be beginners, there is an assumption that you know like how to import data in Power BI. You know how to shape the data using Power BI, so you know how to do basic data modeling. You know how to write DAX formulas. You understand basic DAX syntax. You know how to distribute the reports using the Power BI service. I'll try to cover these concepts with as much basics as possible, but still there might be stuff I might miss out, and I just wanted to call it out. I will try to impart knowledge for this course. However, it is not a comprehensive guide for all topics. So Power BI itself is a fairly large tool with a lot of very rich functionality, and it is not possible to cover everything. This course might cover 20 to 30% of the Power BI, what Power BI can actually do in terms of in-depth. This course will help you pass this PL300 exam, but it will not cover everything. So I just want you to bear in mind, and then you might, once you've done this course, branch off and look at specific Power BI concepts. And then Power BI, because it's got a monthly release cycle, the interface might change. So some of the videos might seem outdated once I've posted them, but the functionality might still exist. You might just have to look at different places. And then when you share the reports, Power BI reports, you need to share them via the Power BI service. Now, to have access to Power BI service, you can have a free trial account, which gives you access for 2 months. And I will show you how to do it, but you can't do it on a Gmail or a Yahoo or a Hotmail account. It has to be either like a work account, or it has to be a academic account like your college account. So you need that account as well. So this is probably the last point is probably a prerequisite more than an assumption. So I hope you find this series useful as we go along, and I hope this set of core assumptions that I've spoken about give you more context and understanding about what needs to be learned outside of this PL300 series. Cheers, bye.